Good morning, students. Students, this is drawing subject. Now on new page you have to draw diya. As Diwali is coming, children, so you will draw diya, and before this you have made fish and you have decorated the first page of your drawing copy. And children, remember, we never used to draw anything on the left hand side of the drawing copy. Always draw whatever you are making, you just draw it on the right hand side of the copy. Okay, now children, draw the border line with the help of the big scale. Always use this big scale to do all these things. And put the date. Children, what is the date? What is the date today? Today is 10/11/2020. So put the date, write the heading diya, and now children will start making. Draw the border line neatly. Now children, for this you need a scale. Okay, from 0 till 10. We will make diya of 10 centimeter. Just see, from 0 till 10 you have to make diya of 10 centimeter. So just draw the line, very light line you have to draw. Okay, from 0 till 10 centimeter. Now you have to divide this in the middle, like 0 till 10 you have to divide it into half. The half of 10 is 5. Put dot on 5. Okay, now children, from here you have to take diya height will be 6 centimeter. 0 till 6 centimeter. So above the line it will be 1 centimeter. Here you have to take 1 centimeter, and here you have to take 5 centimeter. From here you have to take 5 centimeter. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now children, you have to make the diya. Now children, sketch very lightly. Okay, sketch it very lightly. Okay children, sketch it very lightly. Now here just see how you have to do. Okay children, very lightly sketch, and this is what you have to make. Now children, we will make the flames. Okay, for that children, you have to erase the lines. Now after making diya, you erase the lines. Okay, and the middle part. Now children, you have to make the flames. Now see children, I have made the flames. It is of something around 7 centimeter. So you make the flame from here. You make the flame of 7 centimeter. Okay, now children, what we will do, we will decorate the diya. So you can make your own design also. Okay children, this is what you have to make, and you have to color. Now children, let's color. For coloring diya children, I am using brown color. Okay, for coloring diya I am using brown color. First you do outlining of the diya. See children, I have done the outlining. Okay, now as we have to make the diya colorful, so let's start coloring. Let's color the design first. Children, this design we have to do shading. Okay, now you are in third. You have to learn children how to do shading. You have to learn that. So if you are not able to do children, so first you practice in your rough copy, then you do shading. Okay, fill yellow color. You color this line with purple color. Now this also children you do shading. Okay, like this. After doing the shading, children, you fill inside pink color. Now children, you have to color this circle also, so just do the outlining with dark blue color. Okay, and inside you fill light blue. Little more we will decorate, children, because it is looking little simple, so little more we will decorate. So what you can do, you can decorate it. Now we'll color the diya. Okay, so again children, what you have to do, you have to do the shading. Children, remember, you have to learn the shading, how you have to do. Okay, this you fill with orange. Do the shading of diya. Now what you have to do, children, just inside you color it lightly. Okay, after doing the shading, children, fill the diya very lightly. Color it very lightly, brown color. Okay, now what you do, children, do the shading with orange. And then fill with yellow color. Children, yellow color makes your drawing beautiful, so you use yellow color. Okay, now children, will do the flames. For flames we will use red color, orange color and yellow color. Okay, we will do the flames now. First do the outlining with red. Okay, now again you have to do shading, children. Okay, flames also you have to do shading with red. Now you do here orange. And then you fill it with yellow color. Okay, this is the flames. Now children, you have to make the rays coming out. Okay, for that again we will use orange color. Children, you have to practice this. Okay, you practice it first in your rough copy, then you make in your drawing copy. And now you do yellow color. And you can also do little red. Now children, this is oil. Okay, So this you just do little orange. And this is the inner part of the diya, so this again you have to shade and you have to color with brown. Okay, this is the inner part of the diya, so again this you have to color with brown and just do little yellow. On the oil also you can do yellow, children, no problem in doing yellow on the oil. Now your diya is complete, children. Now what you have to do, just you have to make the surface. Where diya is kept, just color it yellow also. Now children, you can just decorate it little, as it is festival of Diwali. So children, you can decorate it. What you can do, you can make it like this. Children, now you can use more colors. Okay, like you can use green color also. I have used green color. Children, you can use more colors and you can make it colorful. Okay, children, you can use more colors and you can make colorful. Okay, now you can add little yellow, as I have told you. Adding yellow makes it look beautiful. So children, see how I am doing. Add yellow in it. Okay, just one line like this. From one side you just do it. In this also, children, you can fill yellow. In this also you can fill yellow, and you can do it like this. Now children, at some places we will use black color, not everywhere, but at some places, like this. Okay, like from here, not everywhere children, but at some places children use black. And children, don't use crayons, pastel colors, paint, okay, sketch pen. These colors are not allowed. Only you have to use pencil color. Okay, now just see, you have to use black color, not everywhere children. But at some places you use black. Okay, circle also you can just do little like this. Here also you can use. Some places, not everywhere. At some places children, just use black color, because black and yellow, black color gives finished look to your drawing. Okay children, like this you have to do. Now children, this is the final look. Like this you have to practice. Don't use crayons, sketch pen or pastel paint color. Okay, first practice in your rough copy children, then you make in your drawing copy. Okay children, thank you very much.